One undeniable fact in outdoor adventure is that when ultimate warmth is essential, down insulation reigns supreme. While synthetic alternatives have made remarkable strides, they've yet to match the impeccable warmth-to-weight ratio offered by top-tier down jackets. Down has become synonymous with luxurious comfort, unparalleled thermal efficiency, impressive compressibility, and even a touch of style in today's fashion landscape. However, navigating the vast sea of options from numerous brands and their myriad styles can be daunting for anyone seeking the perfect down jacket. There are many down jackets to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best down jacket from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. RAB Mens Mythic G Down Jacket. Introducing the RAB Mens Mythic G Down Jacket, the ultimate ultralight puffy designed for year-round alpine adventuring. Boasting RAB's highest fill rating of 1,000 fill down, this jacket ensures unparalleled warmth and extreme packability without weighing you down. The water-resistant Atmos ripstop shell, treated with dread, provides essential protection against the elements, while the innovative tilt lining reflects body heat back to you for surprising warmth. Alpine-ready features include a regular fit articulated for freedom of movement, a down-filled hood with partial elastic and stiffened peak, elastic cuffs, and an adjustable hem for a snug fit. With zippered hand pockets and an included stuff sack, the Mythic G Down Jacket is the perfect companion for all your high-altitude pursuits, offering the ideal balance of lightweight design, superior insulation, and practical functionality. Number 2. Mountain Hardwear Ghost Whisperer Jacket. The Mountain Hardwear Ghost Whisperer Jacket is a sustainable reimagining of the brand's best-selling ultralight down hoodie, designed for super light backcountry adventures, alpine and rock climbing, backpacking, hiking, travel, and camping. Crafted with ultra-lightweight ripstop fabric, this jacket offers exceptional durability without compromising on weight. Innovative features include synthetic insulation in the first baffle, at both cuffs to prevent wetting out, ensuring your hands stay warm and dry. What sets the Ghost Whisperer apart is its commitment to environmental responsibility, utilizing completely recycled face fabric and responsibly sourced, RDS-certified down insulation. This approach not only brings the heat where it's needed, but also reduces the jacket's impact on the atmosphere, transforming trash into a high-performance layer that keeps you warm without heating up the planet. Mountain Hardwear's dedication to preserving Earth's awesomeness shines through in this versatile, eco-conscious jacket that doesn't sacrifice functionality for sustainability. Number 3. Wanto Women's Down Jacket. The Wanto Women's Down Jacket is a stylish and practical solution for those seeking warmth without compromising on fashion or ethical standards. Insulated with a 100 RDS certified duck down, this puffer jacket offers superior heat retention while adhering to responsible sourcing practices. Crafted from 2400 nylon, the jacket boasts a sleek, compressible design that makes it ideal for on-the-go lifestyles, complete with a convenient carrying pouch perfect for travel and commuting. Built to combat wind and chill, this packable puffer ensures you stay cozy whenever you step outside. Durability is key, with high-density construction, sturdy zippers, and long-lasting fabric that resists tears and wear, promising to maintain its great looks even with daily use. For practicality meets functionality with 2 zippered exterior pockets and 2 interior pockets, allowing you to securely carry all your essentials. Number 4. Pioneer Camp Men's Down Jacket. The Pioneer Camp Men's Down Jacket is a versatile and high-performance outerwear solution designed to keep you warm, comfortable, and dry throughout autumn, winter, and spring. Featuring high-tech heat insulation, this puffer jacket effectively blocks cold air while retaining warmth, thanks to its durable nylon shell and soft, environmentally friendly cotton down alternative filling. The jacket boasts a water-resistant index of 3000 mOhm, achieved through a Drehemish-coated fabric, which maintains breathability while protecting against light rain, mist, and other damp conditions. Practicality is at the forefront with an easy-to-pack design. The hooded puffer can be compressed and stored in a waterproof small bag within minutes, making it an ideal companion for casual wear, outdoor work, and travel without adding bulk to your luggage or bag. Number 5. Artemiserium Hoodie Men's Down Jacket. The Artemiserium Hoodie Men's Down Jacket represents the pinnacle of sustainable warmth and technical performance. Insulated with 850 fill European white goose down, certified by the Responsible Down Standard Res. This jacket offers exceptional heat retention while prioritizing ethical sourcing. The ARA220 lining, made from 100 nylon with 60 bio-derived material and an C0WR finish, enhances durability and weather resistance without harmful chemicals. Strategic zones feature CoreLoft 180 insulation, composed of 80 recycled polyester and Bluesign approved, ensuring warmth even in damp conditions. The outer shell utilizes ARA215, a 100 recycled dope dye nylon that reduces water usage in production. Crafted in Canada, this imported jacket embodies Artemiserium's commitment to environmental responsibility. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.